DOGE, the world's first valueless ETF. A major shift is coming in the crypto world. The world's first valueless asset ETF approved. Dogecoin officially goes mainstream. The crypto world is about to change. As regulatory doors gradually open for asset ETFs, the compliance fantasy in the crypto market is playing out its most magical prelude. Hey crypto veterans, today Bloomberg senior analyst Eric Balchunas dropped a bombshell. The Dogecoin Spot ETF is highly likely to launch this Thursday. Here's the key point. The Dogecoin ETF was filed under the Investment Company Act of 1940, similar to the SSK Bitcoin mini futures ETF. The XRP ETF was filed under the Securities Act of 1933. Most importantly, this could be the first ETF in U.S. history to openly hold an asset with no practical use. After all, Dogecoin started as a joke. While XRP claims to be for cross-border payments, it's also highly controversial. It's crucial to remember that the SEC has historically targeted exactly these kinds of coins, lacking fundamental support. Now, they are surprisingly allowing them to enter the mainstream market in ETF form. This is a huge signal. In the short term, the sentiment is explosive, but don't rush in. As the meme king of crypto, Dogecoin has extremely high recognition among retail investors worldwide. Once the ETF is launched, it will inevitably attract newbie money from traditional finance. Think of those uncles and aunts who have never bought crypto but have heard the legends of Dogecoin surges. Coupled with the simultaneous arrival of the XRP ETF, this could also spark a mini-climax of compliance faith in the market. Especially for Dogecoin, its first-day trading volume could explode, potentially lifting the entire meme coin sector. But for the long term, stay calm. First and foremost, an ETF is fundamentally just holding the coin, and its price will still follow the underlying assets movement. But Dogecoin itself has no real technological moat, relying entirely on community hype. While XRP has mitigated some legal risks, it hasn't seen any breakthroughs in real-world application. If subsequent funds dry up or the coin's price gets dumped, the ETF's value will inevitably follow. For my operational advice, short-term players, you can monitor market sentiment around the ETF's Thursday launch. If the Dogecoin spot price doesn't surge in advance after the news is announced, you could consider a small position to bet on an expectation gap. But remember, get in and out quickly. Don't get greedy. Mid to long-term players, don't rush to jump in. Focus on observing capital flows in the week after launch. If the ETF continues to see institutional inflows, it indicates real long-term confidence. Conversely, if trading volume shrinks rapidly, it's just a flash in the pan. Furthermore, watch for the SEC's next moves. If these two ETFs operate smoothly for more than a month, then you can consider positioning other coins with compliance potential. The launch of the Dogecoin ETF isn't just about issuing a new fund. It's a critical step for the crypto market moving from a lawless frontier to the mainstream table. But opportunities hide pitfalls, and pitfalls can bury gold. How do you time your entry? Which coins can ride this wave? And which are pseudo-compliance traps?